Friends, how's your bacon game? Is it like this, or is it kind of wishy-washy? Stick with me, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make some bacon. The secret ingredient is actually water. Here, stick around, I'm gonna show you what I mean. All right, this is a really easy method, you guys. All you gotta do is just do everything you've been doing, but add an extra step with the water. Now, what we wanna do is bring our pan up to temperature and then sear the bacon a little bit on the bottom and then add some water in there so it renders all that fat equally. The fat in the bacon is gonna be completely cooked and rendered down before it even starts to fry. So this is gonna be a winner, you guys. Here, stick around, we'll show you how it's done. All right, you guys, we're right where we wanna be to fry that bacon. So let's split the thing in half, dump it in there. You want to break it up so each piece is kind of sitting in there. Now this water right here is going to control the temperature. It's not going to get above around 210 degrees, and in that temperature zone, the fat from this bacon is going to perfectly render before it even gets a chance to fry. So the meat is going to remain nice and tender. Mix it up a little bit as you're cooking it. Get it all nice and even. That's the perfect temperature to render fat right there. And the water keeps our meat safe. At this stage, friends, the fat is almost completely rendered down in the bacon and the water is just about boiled off. So here in a second, the oil is going to start frying up the meat part of this. This is the last of the liquid right now, boiling off. And this bacon is already done, friends. And we just want to get a nice color on it. And like I said, it's kind of like sous vide. It's already done. It's already at the correct temperature. We just want to brown it up a little bit, make it a little bit more palatable. Go ahead and turn our heat off. Now this cast iron retains a lot of heat. Oh yeah, you see that? All that water's completely gone, friends. Now we just got some delicious bacon grease. Oh yeah, starting to get that color in there. We're almost done here. Look at that, guys. It's gonna be some amazing bacon right there. Oh yes. All it takes is a little bit of water and some patience. You'll have some amazing bacon every time. Look at that, guys. Nearly there. Nearly there. All right, you guys, I'm calling it. All right, you guys, that was the hot tub method for the bacon. This bacon was easy, 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 and it's gonna be the same every time. Check it out, you guys. Delicious, completely rendered, crispy bacon. Oh yeah, good stuff, you guys. Good stuff. Thank you for watching.